was actually in the Philippines when Typhoon Uwan or Fung-wong came in. Everyone was expecting a super typhoon. Strong winds, heavy rain, the whole thing. We kept hearing news about heavy damage and flooding in other areas, so we really thought Manila would get hit hard too. But when the day came, it wasn't that strong where we were, just some quick heavy rain and a bit of strong wind, maybe 30 minutes in total. Still, a lot of places like Aurora, Bicol, and parts of northern and central Luzon were badly affected, and some low-lying areas in Manila had flooding. We were lucky we didn't get the full force of Yuan, and we're thankful for that. In this video, I was able to capture a bit of Typhoon Uwan as it passed by Novaliches, Quezon City. At that moment, I was also on FaceTime with my husband, so I got to show him a mild version of a typhoon. Just so you know, he has never experienced a typhoon in his life. The water's coming in here. There's water here. That's okay. There's water. Look! Look! Yeah, there's the water coming out here. See? See the water? What? Here's it. Here's the outside. What? Oh, look at the water. The water at on the street. What? Oh.
Yeah, that's the pool table.
Yeah, that's a pool table. No, it's covered. The pool table is covered. Oh, it's slowed down now. It's slowed down now. It seems like there was no typhoon that passed by. I can see the sun's trying to come out. The wind is not as strong as we expected. Looks like it's just a normal rainy season here in Lagro. Something smells good here. I don't know what it is. I don't see any flower.
Stir fry spring beans. Tapos yung torta.
Oh, ano,
Magtatorta ako.
itotorta mo yun?
Ito naman yung spring beans.
Aanuhin mo to?
Gigis ako sa giniling na bonita.
Giniling na may longganisa. Anong pang-alat mo? Soy sauce or?
Tsaka oyster sauce.
Oh, oyster sauce. Oh, I see.
Mamaya, dito. pinapalamig ko lang, tapos lalagyan ko ng egg.
Sipag mo nang magluto.
Parang stir fry lang.
Sipag mo magluto.
Kaya sabi ko, pag ito, luluto ako sa sauce ng mga soup. Ako, ng mga gulay. Kasi tinuturo ka soup, dumpling. Yung magpakulo ka lang kasi para pag nagugutom sa kahit soup lang ka. Saan mo binibilhin dami? Binibili ko na ready na yung sa Korean store ako.
Oh, eto lang to, Nisa.
Hiniwa-hiwa ko lang. Sayang kasi. Sound.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!